Here's a 770 Orchard. One of you guys here is the original serial number plate for that tractor. I've got it right up here in the truck. Came from the same home as that 1650. Does an excellent job. Restoring these Aumann tractors. Here you go, folks. 631, it's a beauty on the 770. How many dollars on it? Give me 20,000 another bid, and 20,000 another bid, 20, give me 10,000 to start the 770, and 10,000 here, 10, there, 12.5, 10,000 another 12.5, 10,000 another 12.5, but give it a 5, 12.5, but give it a 5, 10,000 another 12.5, 12.5, but give it a 5, 12.5, 12.5, 12.5, 12.5, 12.5, 12.5, 12.5, 15,000 another, now 15 telephones out, 15,000, 75, 20,000 other, 20,000 bid, 20, down 2.5, 22.5, 25,000, 25,000, 25, 5, 25, 22.5, get 25, take 23, 23, 23, 23, 22.5, get 23, 22.5, get 23,000, 23,000, I'm at 22.5, get 23,000, 22.5, now 23,000, she's out, 22.5, get 23,000, 22.5, get 23,000, 23, 4, round 5, 25, 5, 24, 25, but give it a 5, 24, but get 25, 24, but get 25, but give it a 5, 25, but give it a 5, 24, 25, but give it a 5, 25, 25, all done, here she goes out of the chute, out of the ring, 24, 25, so that was so close, now 6, 26, 26, 26, 26, 25, 6, now 6, 27, now 7, 26 here, 27 down, 26 here, 27 down, bid, 27, not going to wait this long on her, 27, sold them, 26,000, get them out of the ring, 26, or 7602.